In this video, you will learn how to model a star in geometry nodes in Blender version 5.0.1. Let's start. Click and select this cube and come up here and click this geometry nodes menu. Move your cursor to the top left of the viewport. When you see a plus cursor, click and drag to the left and release to merge the sections. Click and drag here to expand the node editor. Go to the viewport and press 7 on the number pad for top view. Come back to the geometry nodes editor and click this new button. Press Shift+A, type mesh circle in the search box, click the mesh circle and move it to the middle of these nodes and click to confirm. Connect circle mesh to geometry output. Select this input and press X to delete. Change this fill type to N-gon, set vertices value to 10. Click Shift+A, search and add set position node, click when the connector is highlighted to insert the node into the tree. To select all the points with their index, click and drag this selection input, search for index, and click twice to add index node. To select every other point, add a math node and place it after index node. Change this operation to floored modulo, and change this value to 2. You can zoom in or out with the mouse wheel, and you can move everything by pressing the middle mouse button. Click and drag to move the nodes. To move selected points in or out, click and drag the offset input and add position node to offset selected points with their position values. Adjust the nodes something like this. To control the offset value, add a vector math node after position. To control this vector with a single value, add a value node and connect it with that. Change the operation type to multiply. Now click and drag this value to scale up or down the corners. Go to the viewport and rotate the view something like this with middle mouse button. Let's give some thickness to this star. Move the editor or nodes to make some space before geometry output. Add an extrude mesh node after set position. Adjust its thickness with this offset value. If you rotate the viewport with the middle mouse button, you can see the bottom face is missing. This is because you are seeing the extruded part of the geometry. To combine with our original star, add join geometry node before output and join the plane star. Now you can change the vertices value of mesh circle to add more corners. You can adjust radius, change offset scale for height. Once you are finished adjusting, click this layout menu to exit node editor. And this was a quick tutorial about creating a star shape in geometry nodes in Blender. Thanks for watching, please subscribe, and leave a comment.